My name is Travis and I'm here at TS Heat and Air. We've been servicing the Oklahoma City metro area for about 30 years now. So most of our clients that we work with is a mix between builders and residential customers. We do light commercial as well, but our bread and butter would probably be new construction air conditioning. We currently have about 30 builders that we work with. But at the same time, we do a couple retrofits a week. We actually have 10 trucks, so we do service all the time. One of the things that we do a little bit differently with retrofits and new construction is we actually provide our guys with equipment lists and heat layouts. Everything's measured out to your floor plan. So it gives us a very accurate and detailed method. There's no guesswork whenever we go out there. We know exactly what we're getting into. We provide a 1-year warranty on all of our work when it comes to a new unit install. And then on top of that, you have manufacturer warranties, which typically run about 10 years, depending on what it is. Some parts are 2 years, some parts are 10 years. It just depends on what brand and piece it is. As far as brands go, we are actually able to service any make and model of air conditioner that is out there. We specialize right now in Lennox. That's who our primary dealer is, but we also do a lot of carrier work as well. When it comes to thermostats, we actually can install any thermostat that you have, assuming that it will work with your equipment setup. For example, some heat pumps, such as this unit right here, those require a specialized thermostat, but things such as the Nest, which I know is really popular right now, or Lux Pros, which we actually have our logo on those because they're just such a good thermostat. Those are some sample thermostats that we have. When it comes to response times with our service department, it just depends on what the emergency is and if they're a warranty customer or not. One of the things, if you have a service agreement with us, we have a 24-hour guarantee. We're going to be out there within 24 hours to look at your unit. Whenever you call in at TS Heat and Air, one of our office staff members is going to answer the phone. We actually have a fully staffed office with 4 people. We have 3 girls that answer the phones, and we have an office manager here. They're going to get you scheduled in, and we'll then print off a piece of paper for our guys that has your past history with us. So we know exactly what we've done in the past, so they can potentially diagnose something even before they get out there or have an idea what they're looking at. The guys go out to your house on a scheduled day. They're going to give you a 30-minute call notice and say, hey, I'm about to be there. That way you can just go about your day. We try to keep you from being held hostage at your house all day long. Whenever our technicians are out there and they do figure out what is wrong with your air conditioner, one of the things that is comforting is we do have flat rate pricing, which means that we don't make up numbers on the spot. We don't look at what you have. Like some companies will do that, they'll look at it and kind of gauge off that. We don't do that. We have set prices for everything that we do. Before we do anything, we're going to go over it with you and say, this is what is wrong with it. Do you want to fix this? And we'll sometimes be able to give you different options depending on what's wrong and make sure that you're well informed on what's going on.